Now there is a new method. The name of the method is integration by substitution. In this method, for example, we have an example like this. If you have a function integral of 4x plus 5 dx, if there is a condition on the question that you have to solve this question by substitution, then what will you do? You will suppose the internal function without square root. You will suppose this function as u. U is equal to 4x plus 5. Then differentiate this function with respect to x. Then you will get du over dx, which is equal to 4. So du is equal to 4 dx, and what will be dx? So du by 4 is equal to dx. This will be your final result for dx. The very important thing is why we differentiate this function. Actually, substitution means change of variable. You have to replace the variable that is already present in the question by another variable. So we have to replace 4x plus 5 overall function is equal to u, and this dx, obviously this is a differential, so you have to replace dx as well. But how can you get this dx? This dx can be generated by differentiating the function. So that's why we have differentiated this function once, and then just replace the values of these functions into the given question. For instance, you have integral sign and 4x plus 5, replace 4x plus 5 by u, and the value of dx you can get from here, that is du by 4. So by taking 1 by 4 common, you will get u raised to power 1 by 2. Square root can be converted into 1 over 2. Just apply the power rule over here, so it will become u 1 by 2 plus 1 over 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 as it is, plus c. After simple calculation, simplify this result, you will get u raised to power 3 by 2, and this is also 3 by 2, then plus c. After this you will get 2 u raised to power 3 by 2 over 4 into 3 plus c. By cancellation these two numbers, you will get u3 by 2 over 6 plus c. The main thing that you should keep in your mind, final answer should be in the same variable as it is given in the question. The question is given in variable x, so you have to replace u by x, and what was u? U was 4x plus 5, so just replace u by 4x plus 5, and at the end you will get this final result. So this is one example by the method of integration by substitution. Now this is example number 2. In this example you can see there are two functions. Number one is x into 7 minus 6x square raised to power 1 by 3, and we have to integrate this function by substitution. The very first thing that you should notice that which function should be our substitution, because in last example we have one function into the square root, under the square root, but right now there are two functions. So which function will be our substitution? That is very important, and it is very simple if you understand the phenomena of substitution, what is that? You have to substitute the function whose differentiation is present in the given question. For instance, if you take 7 minus 6x square, if you differentiate this function with respect to x, then you can get easily x. Why? Because you can see here, after differentiating with respect to x, you will get minus 12x. So this is actually, you can get x dx, you can get from this differentiation. So du is equal to minus 12x dx, and by simple calculation du over minus 12 is equal to x dx. So if we substitute u is equal to 7 minus 6x square, you can get this x along dx. But on the other hand, if you want to substitute x, so then by differentiating x you will get nothing, just dx. So this x you have to again find from this equation. You have to find x by taking square root and taking 7 over there, and some calculation you will get x, but it will be a long way and of course a wastage of time. Integration by substitution means you have to reduce your time as well. So this substitution will be okay. Now the final question will be in the format, if you see, 7 minus 6x square raised to the power 1 by 3 into x dx. I am just making two pair for understanding. For instance, this will be equal to u over here, so this will be u raised to power 1 by 3, and you can easily find x dx is equal to du over minus 12. So you can put du over here, and minus 12 you can take as a common factor. Now just differentiating this factor, so this is just a power rule, 1 by 3 plus 1, and same factor will be repeated under the denominator, and after some simple calculation you will get u raised to power 4 by 3, similarly 4 by 3 plus c, then further you will get 3u raised to power 4 by 3 plus c divided by minus 12 into 4, and by simplification 3 4s are 12, so you will get u raised to power 4 by 3 divided by minus 16. Now this is your final result, but keep in mind the final answer should be in the same variable as given in the question. In the question the variable is x, so you have to eliminate u as you have substituted u is equal to 7 minus 6x square. So just replace 7 minus 6x square raised to the power 4 by 3 over minus 16 plus c. Now this is end of the question. Now example number 3. In this example you can see there are two functions, one in the numerator and one in the denominator, and which function you will select as a substitution. This is actually the art, how to select the function. I will select the function in the numerator without power. 1 plus square root of x will be my substitution. Why? Because when I differentiate this function, I will get 1 over 2 square root of x, and after some simplification I will get dx by 2 square root of x, and then I can get 2 du is equal to dx over square root of x. So actually why I have substituted u is equal to 1 plus square root of x, because I can construct this du over square root of x by taking the differentiation of this substitution. But if I take square root of x, so I cannot get this factor, or you can simply take square root of x as well, but in this case your steps may be too difficult and you cannot easily handle this one. So that's why I have substituted this. Now it is very simple to substitute all the substitutions into the question. So 1 plus square root of x will be substituted as u raised to the power 3, and dx over square root of x right now, which is equal to 2 du. So 2 will be out of differential and you can get just du. Now it is very simple to integrate this function u4 by 4 plus c. Simple simplification this function, and finally the final answer should be in the same variable as given in the question. So the variable is x, so that's why we will substitute u 1 plus square root of x raised to the power 4 by 2 plus c. Now this is our actual answer for this particular question.